We have a question from Shritik. How can I improve my bat speed? Okay, let's go to the ground.
Key things to power hitting. Don't keep your body stiff. Allow your body to relax. Bat pick nice and high. Before we go to drill, let me warn you, use tennis balls only for this drill. Because this drill generates lot of power. We don't want your partner to be get it. Moving on to power hitting. In this drill, we'll allow only the hands to work. After that, we are going to add whole body to work maximum bat speed. For a cut shot, begin with hitting the ball behind the crease. Once you understand, we'll slowly add on power onto your cut shot. By adding more bat speed, we are going to hit front of the crease. For a front foot, we are going to use golfer's strike. Make sure ball placed front of your front toe with enough distance. Bat lift nice and high, go!
Shritik hit lot of sixes. Good luck. Syed and Rakesh have a question. Body and head falling while they're bowling. Don't worry, you are not only the one to face this problem. There are more than 75% of fast bowlers face this problem, more or less. By 3 common mistakes, your body and head falls while you're bowling.
Foot splay, collapsing in your front knee, non-bowling arm falling away and early. Then how these 3 things to be working as? Front foot toe straight down the pitch. Non-bowling arm straight and pull it back. Non-bowling arm don't pull it up and down. That is for spinners. For fast bowlers, front and back. This will help you to keep your shoulder aligned. Keep your front foot straight. Add on these 3 things in your walk-through drill. Start slow as possible because it has to fit in your muscle memory. Spend more time on your walk-through drill. Then you move to jog-through drill.
It will take time from drills to short run-up to full run-up.
You need lot of dedication and patience required to achieve this. Good luck.
Do you know how important is your batting stances? Batting stance is so important because your batting begins from your stance. Let's see 7 basic things you must know in batting stance.
Feet should be in straight line. Weight equally distributed to both feet. This will allow you to move offside and leg side comfortably. Knees slightly flexed. This will allow you to move front foot, back foot comfortably. Grip, top hand grip, bottom hand grip. Both hands together in middle of the handle. Position of your elbow nice and high. Position of your bat just above the stumps ideally. It has to come from off stump. It will allow you to play offside and leg side as well. Your shoulders, front shoulders slightly down. Back shoulders slightly exposed to the umpire. Position of your head still eyes level. Your right eye in line with your off stump. This will help you to judge the line and length of the ball.
Good batting stance is foundation for good cricketing, short and long innings. How's your batting stance? Click a picture of your batting stance and DM in Instagram ID. We have a question from Instagram by Vasant. Vasant, I can see in your bowling, you have a good eye arm release and nice loading. You can improve in these areas.
You are lacking momentum in your run-up. That's why you are not able to pivot. If you can build momentum and pivot in your front foot, you will be a better bowler. As I can see your run-up, it's very short to build momentum. In order to achieve a momentum in your bowling, you need to have good run-up. Vasant, in your bowling, add on 2-3 extra steps in your run-up so that you can get enough momentum in your bowling.
You will have more spin and little more pace adding it to your bowling. Keep practicing, you'll get more consistent. Good luck. This is Mahadev, qualified professional cricket coach.